Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Free radical chlorination of cyclopentane with X's Cl2H we can introduce to chlorine atoms at various positions. We must count all structurally distinct dichlorocyclopentane products including stereoisomers, cis trans pairs. Moving on to the next step. Identify the unique monochlorination site. Cyclopentane has only one type of carbon, all equivalent, so monochlorination gives only chlorocyclopentane. Moving on to the next step. For dichlorination, we place the second Cl on chlorocyclopentane. Number the ring carbons 1 to 5, with Cl already at C1. The unique positions for the second Cl are C1 C2 is equal to C5 by symmetry and C3 is equal to C4 by symmetry. And for the final step, 1,1-dichlorocyclopentane, both Cl on same carbon. No stereocenters. One product. 1,2-dichlorocyclopentane, C1 and C2 both have Cl and H. This gives cis and trans isomers. The trans isomer has two stereocenters and is chiral, exists as R, S enantiomers is equal to 2 enantiomers, and the cis isomer also has two stereocenters, 1 R, 2 S and 1 S, 2 R, but the ring makes them. Actually for cyclopentane with substituents at 1, 2 cis 1, 2 gives a pair of enantiomers, 1 R, 2 S and 1 S, 2 R, trans 1, 2 gives a pair of enantiomers, 1 R, 2 R and 1 S, 2 S. So 4 stereoisomers total for 1,2-dichloro. 1,3-dichlorocyclopentane, C1 and C3. Similarly, cis 1, 3 gives enantiomers to stereoisomers and trans 1, 3 gives enantiomers to stereoisomers. So 4 stereoisomers total for 1,3-dichloro. Total count is equal to 1, 1, 1 plus 4, 1, 2 plus. Wait, let me recount carefully. 1,1-dichlorocyclopentane, 1 compound. 1,2-dichlorocyclopentane, cis, meso. No cyclopentane 1 to substitution, cis 1 to has a plane of symmetry. C1 and C2 both bearing Cl and H with same substituents, cis means both Cl on same face. The molecule has a plane of symmetry through C1, C2 bond midpoint perpendicular. Actually cis 1,2-dichlorocyclopentane is a meso compound, has internal plane of symmetry, so 1 compound. Trans 1,2-dichlorocyclopentane has no plane of symmetry, exists as a pair of enantiomers is equal to 2 compounds. Total 3 compounds for 1,2,1,3-dichlorocyclopentane, cis 1, 3, C1 and C3 with Cl on same face, plane of symmetry through C2 and midpoint of C4, C5 so meso is equal to 1 compound. Trans 1, 3, no plane of symmetry, pair of enantiomers is equal to 2 compounds. Total 3 compounds for 1, 3. Grand total is equal to 1 plus 3 equals 7 products. This matches option C, 7. The other options fail because A, 5 undercounts stereoisomers, B, 6 misses 1 isomer, D, 9 overcounts. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.